Welcome back to channel V8X, where luxury meets performance, and every detail matters. If you love premium cars, cinematic visuals, and honest reviews, you're in the right place. Today on V8X, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Lexus NX350h, finished in an elegant pearl white, a compact luxury SUV that blends modern design, hybrid efficiency, and refined comfort like few others in its class. Let's start with the front view, because first impressions matter. The 2026 Lexus NX350h looks bold and confident from the front, thanks to its signature spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and clean, aggressive lines. With the headlights turned on, the DRL signature gives the car a high-tech and premium presence that instantly stands out. In pearl white, the reflections across the hood and grille elevate the luxury-add feel, making this angle perfect for a cinematic showcase. Moving to the side view, the NX350h shows off its sculpted profile. The smooth body lines, aerodynamic shape, and perfectly proportioned stance highlight Lexus' attention to design balance. The alloy wheels and subtle chrome accents complement the white paint beautifully, giving the SUV a refined yet sporty look. From this angle, the NX350h feels modern, upscale, and ready for both city life and long highway drives. Now let's appreciate the back view. The rear design is clean and sophisticated, featuring sleek LED tail lights and a connected light bar that adds width and presence. The pearl white color reflects ambient light perfectly, especially at night, giving the NX350h a futuristic glow. This angle reinforces Lexus' focus on elegance rather than unnecessary aggression. Step inside for the dashboard and interior view, where luxury truly comes alive. The cabin of the 2026 Lexus NX350h feels premium and driver-focused, with high-quality materials, a large digital infotainment display, and modern ambient lighting. Everything is laid out intuitively, creating a calm, comfortable environment that feels perfect for daily driving or long road trips. This interior angle speaks directly to buyers who value comfort, technology, and craftsmanship. Under the hood, the engine view highlights Lexus' advanced hybrid technology. The NX350h combines efficiency with smooth performance, offering a refined driving experience while keeping fuel consumption in check. This angle showcases smart engineering and reliability, two things Lexus is globally known for. From above, the drone view gives a whole new perspective. Seeing the NX350h from the air emphasizes its compact yet premium proportions. Whether parked or moving, this angle delivers cinematic beauty and makes the SUV look truly upscale. On the highway shot, the NX350h feels confident and composed. With smooth motion, stable handling, and a quiet cabin, it delivers a relaxed yet powerful driving experience. And during the night shot, with city lights reflecting off the pearl white paint and the LEDs glowing brightly, the NX350h looks nothing short of stunning. As for pricing, the 2026 Lexus NX350h is expected to start at around $45,000 in the US market, positioning it competitively in the luxury hybrid SUV segment. That's it for today's cinematic review. Thank you for watching channel V8X. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more premium automotive content. This is V8X, where luxury never goes out of style.